Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. Today we got this Pajero. The starter always seems to go out after it's been running for a while and after it's getting hot, so it's a common problem. So we're gonna go ahead and dive right in. Alright, you can't see it from up top, but you go in between the two batteries and it's right down there. And hey, while we're staring at the batteries, why not we go ahead and disconnect them? Alright, and after disconnecting the battery, you're going to want to pull out the one closest to the firewall, and that's going to give us easy access to from the top to the starter. Only way to it is from the bottom. Go ahead and remove the skid plate. It is kind of heavy and there's a bunch of dirt that tends to fall on your face, so watch out. Make sure you save those 4 bolts. Go ahead and jack the car up and put it on jack stands. And I like to leave my jack underneath for safety. And with the jack stands underneath, go ahead and remove the drive shaft because the starter is going to be removed from the bottom. Alright, do yourself a favor and zip tie that drive line out of your way and remove 1 or 2 of these clips inside the wheel well so you can get a kind of a better eyeball on what's going on here in a minute. And if you see the slave cylinder, you're going to want to remove it so we can get access to the starter. And go ahead and jump on top and remove the harness and one of the little clip connectors. If you zoom in, right there's the bolt that we're after. And from underneath the 214s that we now have access to, you can go ahead and take those suckers off. And there she is, old and crusty. So we'll go ahead and inspect it, make sure there's nothing crazy going on. And this is the new one I got off of Amazon. It took about 2 weeks, but I like to go ahead and make sure that it's all the same. It's all the same except for the little ear right here. If you can compare the new one, it's got an extra hole. We're in the home stretch. Let's put it back together. So let's go reinstall the starter and the bracket. I don't know the torque specs. Let's be smart about it and get it nice and tight. Go ahead and clean the cables with alcohol and Scotch-Brite. Reinstall the cables. Reinstall the front drive line. Go ahead and install the battery tray. Okay, this is everyone's favorite moment where everyone gets butterflies. Go ahead and start it up and let's hope for the best. And she's good. If you guys like this video, please comment, like, and subscribe. Until next time.